hello, I didn't see you there. Hello and welcome to Cooking Avec Megan
and Amy Aussie!
Today in the kitchen we will be making a festive treat for you guys. We're going to be making mince pies, but with a twist. We'll be making a mince pie tart for you guys to try at home. Let's get ready to rumble! Yeah! These are the ingredients you will need to cook these delicious foods.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la.
Now, let's get cooking! Let's go, children. So, what the hell do we do?
We have to preheat.
To what?
Oh shit.
Right, let's read the packet. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, ready to cook your pastry. Next, we line it with greaseproof paper. Also, grab some butter. It makes it easier to lubricate the pan. Young children, please ask your parents to help you with the knives. They are extremely dangerous. Ah! I cut myself! Safety warning! Knives are dangerous.
As this isn't being touched by actual food, feel free to use your hands and smush it in.
Nice and gently now, children. We don't want to ruin anything. That's right. Next, you need to use your greaseproof paper and cut it into a circle to fit your pan. So, we need to measure out the size of the pan and cut round it so we have the exact fit. It's a work of art. Now, you need to pop your greaseproof paper into your pan. Check. Next step, we need to cut the pastry into a circle to fit into our tart bowl. I haven't even washed my hands. Let's do that.
Bad Megan. Always remember to wash your hands before cooking, otherwise you could be as mentally disabled as Megan.
Now this is where it will probably all go wrong. My hands are too soupy.
I don't.
Get a professional hand to open your pastry. Professional. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Like a boss.
I'm going to use this, pop it on here, just going to cut around it, like so.
So Megan, tell me, is this used for the base or?
Shit. Oh, I said that really loud. I start cutting it. I need some left over for the crust, don't I? So I shouldn't cut exactly round the whole thing.
No, you shouldn't.
It's fine, it sticks together. Oh no. It's okay, we can stick it back together.
You idiot.
Right, just stick that back, that will be fine. There we go, leaving a nice bit of room for the edge of our tart there. Or like this.
Now we need to spoon your mincemeat into your pie. Now, get your mincemeat and make sure that you don't have it over the edge, otherwise it won't become a pie.
Check. Amy! Now we need to chop the remaining pastry into strips so that we can make a lattice effect on the top of our pie. So, for this, we're going to need a knife. Shing! Oh! Owie! Oh dear, time for another plaster. Dun dun dun. Do not try this at home, children. Order a KFC instead. I'm now going to cut thin, long strips. Measure, 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 measure.
Wouldn't you just get it the same length as that one, you plum?
For my artistic skills that I possess, I think this isn't actually that bad.
And now it's ready to go in the oven.
How beautiful is that? Oh, now Amy, we're going to have to put that in the oven for 20 minutes so that all the pastry will go golden and rise.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Always wear oven mitts when putting things into your oven.
Screw the oven buddy system which you learn at school.
Do it yourself, you're old enough.
Sorted.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Ooh.
How beautiful is that? Smell it, guys. It smells like Christmas.